Hello guys, today we are here in Khoud Village. In Khoud Village you will get to see mountain, river, death falls and a lot. It's very near about the airport, not that much far. You don't have to go far away from city. So let's have a tour with us.
If you have only one day to visit Oman and you wanna see some nature of Oman like mountain, river, jet farm, etc., this is the only nearest place about Muscat International Airport, which is 20 to 25 kilometers away from Muscat International Airport. It takes 30 minutes to go by your own car. If you are going through taxi, make sure you are coming back with the same taxi so that you don't have to worry about how will you come back. The river we see without water because of summer, which has been using as a route. During the raining season, the river will be full of water and lots of fishing will be fishing in this river. If you walk through the river, it will not gonna be finished really. The more you will walk, the more you will discover beauty of it. Also, a lot of local people are coming and they spend time here with friends and family. This is the first time that I have touched top of mountain in Oman. It's really exciting.
Watching our video. If you are new, consider subscribe, do like, share and comment below.